Please and please and please always do this before you buy anything on AliExpress. They scammed me. Hi guys, my name is Temini and welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't know, I was so excited. I just can't stop. I'm finally here. Yay! Let's get down to business. Today we are talking about AliExpress. What is AliExpress? What is AliExpress? You people are just buying things. What are you people buying? Where is this place? What is it? What are they doing there? It's an international app from China created by the Alibaba group. They have like 3 major apps that I know of. They have 1688, Alibaba, and they have AliExpress. So AliExpress is what I'll be talking about today. I'll be talking about the rest in another video. AliExpress is a retail app just like Jumia. Anything you're buying there, you're not buying at wholesale price. So you are buying stuff that your normal average vendor in Nigeria is selling to you. But they have a lot of things. Like if you have money, your eyes will just be shining on everything. Like you want to buy everything on the app. So that's what I love about AliExpress. The difference between AliExpress and 1688 is that AliExpress is a retail app. So retail means that they sell at retail prices. They sell it to you like you are buying from your normal Jumia shop or you are buying from Instagram. That's the price they sell to you on AliExpress. It's a bit cheaper than Nigeria. You know, they are shipping from China, but it's a retail app, so you don't expect them to have wholesale price. They have some wholesale supplier there that I have not really tried, but it's basically retail. And 1688 is a wholesale app. They made it strictly for Chinese people. So that's why a lot of people complain that the app is very complicated to use, because they made it for Chinese people. So the app is strictly Chinese. Like everything on it is Chinese, and they ship to China, not Africa. Alibaba is in English. It's also a wholesale app where you can connect with manufacturers. 1688, you connect with manufacturers. Alibaba, you connect with manufacturers. Manufacturers. That's the difference between 1688, Alibaba, and AliExpress. If you're a business owner, you want to start your business importing stuff, AliExpress is not really the best app for you, because they are paying the prices of their stuff are not as cheap as 1688 and Alibaba, but AliExpress is the easiest to use because it's just like Jumia. So today I'll be teaching you how to use the app. Once you download the app, they will ask you to create your account. To create the account is very easy. Like me now, I don't like stressing my life. I cannot be putting my information 1 million times on different apps. So I chose the option of using Facebook. Just connect your Facebook to your app or your Gmail. If you are using an iPhone, it's even easier. You can use your Apple ID to join. So after you have created your account, then you go to settings. You will see currency. In that currency pattern, I will advise you as a Nigerian, please just use USD. Your information while you are trying to log in. They will eventually know that you are a Nigerian, so automatically they will give you Nigerian Naira as your currency. But I will advise you to go for US dollars, because that is how you are going to make payments. Note that AliExpress, they use Google rate. So on Google now, dollar can be like 435 naira, but you are paying with black market. You are not paying with Google now. So you are going to pay 700 and something naira. So AliExpress will be telling you that something is 4,500, but that's not true. It's not 4,500. The thing is actually 8,000 naira because of black market rates. So just use dollars. So when you have gotten your currency down, you can start shopping, but I'll advise you to put your shipping address first before you start shopping. So you go to settings, you see shipping address. Once you tap on shipping address, you will see the information there. So they ask you your country. Your country is Nigeria. They ask you for your number. Make sure to put a number that is very active, that you receive messages and calls on that number, because that's what they will use to call you when you have a package. Then they'll ask you for your address under it. So you just put your address, put your house, your normal address. You will see a place where they will put, they'll put sweet something. Just put your number, your address, put it there. It's just like there are 2 lines there. Put your address, you can put You can put half of the address at the top, the major part at the top, then at the bottom put another one. Then you go down, you see province. So your province is Lagos. Then when you tap on Lagos, they'll tell you to pick a city. So your city is not Lagos. Under Lagos, you pick the place you are, the area that you are. Maybe you are staying in Gbagada, you pick Gbagada. You are staying in Aja, you pick Aja. You are picking like a local government or the city. So let's say Aja, that's where you pick. This address, make sure it's correct, because the shipping company that they will use, they have different branches all over the state. So the place you put is very important, because they will take your package to another place. Even me that I put correct address, they still take my package to 𝒻𝑜𝓊𝓃𝒹 and I'm in Aja. How did Aja and 𝒻𝑜𝓊𝓃𝒹 match? So just make sure you put the best place for you, so that it's very close to wherever you know you will be receiving your item. Next thing is your zip code. Your zip code is very easy to get. Just go to Google, type your area where you are staying. So you can type Aja zip code, you can type Egbeda zip code. It will bring it out for you. Sometimes they bring more than one zip code for you. Click on it, see the one that is close to your place, you just copy it and paste it there. You can save it as your default shipping address, so that you don't have to type it in every single time you buy something. And you can have several shipping addresses. You can save like 5 or like 10. Please and please and please, always do this before you buy anything on Aliexpress, because there are scammers everywhere, all over the world. Pay attention to these things before you buy from Aliexpress. Maybe you saw on somebody's WhatsApp status, or you saw on somebody's Instagram that you saw that they are selling one shoe like that. You can screenshot the shoe. In the home page, you will see a photo icon at the top. Tap on that photo icon, put the picture there, the screenshot. It will scan it and show you different products that look like what you dropped. You are scrolling. At the bottom, you will see a red star there. So that star will give you see like 4.55 stars, and they will show you, they will write it there, 1,625 sold, 15,000 sold. See that a lot of people have bought it. Always and always buy the majority. Once you tap on it, you scroll down, you will see reviews. So click on that review, you see stars, like you click on that review. Once you click on that review, you see people that have bought it. Majority of the time you see a Nigerian flag there, so you will see how many Nigerians have actually bought. Always buy products that Nigerians have bought. Me, that is where I go to. You scroll down, most of them post pictures, so tap on the picture, look at that picture very well, look at it, scan that picture very well. That is what the product looks like in real life. Now you have read the reviews and you have seen that, okay, this is what I want to buy. Then you scroll up, you will see size. You can see size. If it's a wig, you see 18 inches, blah blah blah. You see size, you see specifications, you can see different things. So just tap on that part. Once you tap on it, options that you can choose from. Let's say you want to buy a phone case now. You will see for iPhone 12, for iPhone 13, for iPhone 15, for whatever on iPhone 12. Once you get that, you scroll down, you will see shipping fee at the bottom. You can tap on that shipping fee. Aliexpress gives you the cheapest shipping fee automatically, but you might think it's too expensive or it's too cheap, or you want it very fast. And there on that shipping fee, they will write the estimated delivery date. Aliexpress, their shipping can take 2 weeks to 3 months. 3 months meta. So if you know that you need something in September 25 and you are ordering it September 1st, you might be lucky they'll bring it, but 80% of the time that thing might actually come after September 25. But once they say estimated delivery date, that estimated means that if they don't bring it, okay, you ordered in September now, so they'll write estimated delivery date, maybe September, October, November. So they write November 20 for estimated delivery date. So that estimated means that the order is coming within September 25, September 1st that you ordered, and November 20 that you ordered. So in between, it will come in between that day. If it doesn't come after that November 20, if November 20 has passed and nobody called you to come and receive your product, nobody said anything, please don't tap confirm receive though, because somebody scammed me on AliExpress, and that's what they did. They told me that I should confirm that I've received the package, and I should give them a 5-star review, that they will send my package, that they will send me a refund. They did not send my refund though. I just gave them free review and acted like I saw. So they scammed me. They scammed me like so. Don't tap anything. Once the thing has passed that November 20, that estimated date, and you do not receive your package, then you can open a dispute. So opening a dispute, you are asking for a refund. You tell them the reason why. They will ask you. You write you did not receive your package. You send it to them, and within a week they will send you your money back. I've done it a lot of times. After you see the estimated delivery date, next thing, when you go back, you will see add to cart. If you don't want to buy immediately, just add it to your cart. Or you want to buy a lot of things, add it to your cart. Then, or you see buy now. Is it that you see add to cart or buy now? There are some products that they don't allow you to add to cart. You just buy it immediately. So if you are not ready to buy, you can save it. You see at the top where the picture is, you see favorite, so you can save it for later. So after you want to buy the product, they are going to ask you for your payment method. So that payment method now, Nigerian banks don't allow international payments anymore. So you have to use a dollar card, a virtual dollar card from Cheaper, Payday, from your bank. Depends on anyone you have. I'll be talking about how to use Cheaper Cash and Payday in a different video, so that this video won't be too long. Once you make your payments, they ship your products within 24 hours. They will start updating you every single time, and you can always check the app and to see exactly where your product is. When you buy from the same store, they will ship your packages together. The probability of them shipping your packages together is called a combined delivery. Probability of them shipping your packages together when you buy from different stores is like 50-50. Sometimes they will ship it, sometimes they will not ship it together. And you know, they come from different places. It's just like you buying from Nigeria too, and maybe the supplier you're buying from, one is in Abeokuta, one is in Sokoto, one is in Lagos. So if you are lucky, the one in Abeokuta can ship to the one in Lagos, then they'll join it together, because the packages are going from Lagos. Or maybe Sokoto has his own port that they are sending the packages through, so they will ship from their own side. So they may not this is why they don't combine it together, because they are different vendors and they have different modes of shipping, and they have different places that they are shipping from. So I would advise you, if maybe you want to buy strictly jewelries, strictly phone cases, just buy from the same store, buy from the same shop. So once you tap on their profile, you can see a lot of products that they have. You can scroll down and see what they have. So you can follow them too for future purpose, so that you can always find them quicker. Then you can see what they have. You can buy from them. You get your thing once and for all. They'll bring everything once to you, since it's the same store. So this microphone I'm using right now, this is it. And you see, I got it on AliExpress. With the black market rate, it is close to 10,000. It's 9,000 something. I'll drop the calculation here. It's 9,000 something. And if you are buying for the first time, using my link in my bio, you get a discount. I got my phone cases on AliExpress. I also help people to buy. So I got some stuff for someone from TikTok. She texted me on TikTok, so she got phone cases, got this cute jewelry set, and she got a straightener from AliExpress. Can you imagine? You can buy a straightener from AliExpress. You can buy a ring light, you can buy a tripod, you can buy basically anything on AliExpress. If you have any question, comment down below. I'll answer your question. My next video is going to be on how to make payments with Cheaper Cash, how to use Cheaper, and how to connect it to your AliExpress, connect it to your Apple ID, connect it to your Spotify, Netflix, and all those other apps. So thank you for watching. See you next time. My name is Teminibeautyco. Thank you for watching. Bye.